there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you really easy step-by-step how to make these beautiful pearls and seed beads earrings. They're really easy to make, so I'm sure by the end of this video you will be able to make them by yourself. If you want to support me and see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. In this way you will know when I release new video with a matching jewelry to the ones that I have already done. For example, in this case I could make a bracelet, ring and even a necklace, and in this way you will be able to make beautiful sets for presents or for yourself. And if you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action, and I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. And you could also check my new merch store where you could find pillows, hoodies, mugs, t-shirts, phone covers and so many other stuff, and you could find free delivery USA discount code down there in description, and you could find link here at the eye icon. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start. Okay guys, so for this video what I'm using are 8mm pearls, and I'm using 11 seed beads, 8 seed beads. Here I use ear wires in this beautiful golden color. I use fireline, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use any type of thread you want. And this is my beading needle size 10, scissors, and here I'm using pliers only to go through the difficult beads. They are not obligatory. And now I will put about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now what I want to do is take my pearl, one of my pearls, sliding it down, and then what I want to take are 9 seed beads. Okay, and I have my 9 here. I have my 9, and I'm also going to slide them down like that, and I will go holding my tail thread. I will go through my bead, going here. Okay, now this is what I have. Then I will turn my work this way and I will take 9 more seed beads. Okay, I have my 9 here. Okay, and I'm sliding them down just like that, and now I'm going through the pearl, inside my pearl. And now guys, this is what I have. Okay, now I'm going, still holding my tail thread, I will go through all of my beads in this direction. And don't worry if it gets loose, we'll fix this later. Okay, now I'm here, and I will stick my needle in my mat, and here I want to make a knot. I'm making a knot by making a loop and going once and twice and 3 times through the loop I've made, and then I pull, and now this is what I have. Okay, like that. I have a really secure knot, and I will take just 1 seed bead and I'm going here through these beads. Okay, then I will go through all of those beads and through here. Take just 1 and go here through these beads Okay guys, now this is what I have. And I'm going to take one of these 8 toes, the bigger size of beads, and as I'm exiting from this bead here, you see, I'm going through the previous one before it and in circle, okay? I'm going in circle like that. And now you see I have something like a loop between my beads, okay? And I'm pulling. Then I'm going through the following 2 beads, pulling really tight, okay, like that. Then I will take one more bead of these beautiful 8 toes and I'm going back through it, going around in circle in my next 2 beads, okay, pulling. Then go in the next 2 beads like that. Take one, just one 8 toe and go back in circle through these 2 beads. And if you can, in one movement, go also through the following 2 and pull. Then what I need to take is one bead again, go through these 2 and if you can, through the following 2. Okay. Okay guys, and now I'm going to continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and this was the last bit that I added from this row. And now guys, what I want to do is, as I'm exiting from here, go through this golden bead back in circle, okay, then turn it to the center of your work like this, then take one seed bead, just one, and go through the following golden, okay, like that. Then take one more seed bead, go through the following golden and push it to the center of your work like that. One more, go here to the following, okay, one, and continue these guys until the end of this row. Okay, now you see how my work sits, and I want to go reinforcing this several more times like this. I want to make it stay into the center of my work. And go around several times until you feel your work is secure. Okay guys, and when I went around several more times, this is what I have, and I cut my tail thread, by the way, of camera. And now what I want to take are 3 seed beads, okay? And I have them, and I'm going here in circle around this seed bead, okay? Now I have this, and I'm going in the next seed bead, taking 3 more seed beads like that, going here, and in the following HO and seed bead, okay? Then what I need are 3 more, okay? And I will continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and this is the last step of my earring. If you want, you could go reinforcing some more. And now what I want to do is exit here between those 2 beads, and I want to add my ear wire here, okay? I'm going here through this one. I will take my ear wire like that, going here inside it, pulling, sliding this down, and going through the other seed bead, okay? And pay attention how you put it, because you want this to be the front side of your earring. This one also doesn't look bad, but I prefer this one to be my front. Okay, now I will reinforce this part here. Okay, then I'm going in the back of my earring. Okay, now this is what I have, and here I will make a knot. Okay, I'm making a loop, and I'm going once and I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I pull, and you might want to repeat this several more times. And when you make a knot, don't forget to go through the next seed bead and then cut your thread. Never cut next to a knot, okay? And now guys, my earring is ready. Hey guys, and now my golden pearl earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe if you still haven't, and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And in this way, when you hit the bell, you will be notified when I make matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and you will be able to make beautiful sets for presents or for yourself. And you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could find my store here at the icon, and I have down there in description free USA delivery discount code, so you could check it out. That was all from me. Bye bye.